Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to get the last date of the month, of the selected month or given month. I want to get the last date of the month. So let's start the tutorial. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I have opened one new book on Excel sheet. Now let's add one date here in the C cell. What is today's date? Is the 10th July 22. So let's add that one. 10th July 22. 10th July 2022. Now I want to get the last date of this month. Last date of this selected month C, which is 31st July 2022, which is a Sunday. So I want to get the output here, the day, date and the date also. So here the formula is end of the month takes two parameters. The first one is the start date. Start date is a selected date. I want to get the last date of the selected month. So 0. 0 is a current month, which is a selected month. If you add 1 here, you will get the next month of the end of the date. Suppose if you add 1 here, you will get the July, August end of the month you will get. That's it. This is a formula. You will get the end of the month of this 10th July, end of the date. And notice here we got some number here. So we need to convert this number into date format. So select the cell, right click the mouse, format cells. The format cells, select the date, and I am selecting the Wednesday, 14th March 2012. This is a format I want to get here. Click OK. So here we got Sunday 31st July 2022. 31st Sunday July 2022. Now here I am adding one more date here. Let's add 15th August next month. I want to get the next month of the date. Just drag this one, which is a Wednesday. So last day of the August month 2022 is 31st August. Let's check that one. 31st, which is a Wednesday, August 2022. Like that you can get any date. Is let's add the June 2022. Now here what I'm doing, if as I told, end of the month, the start date is this one, selected date. If you add 1 here, it will give the next month, June, July, Sunday 31st July 22. It will give the output. Again, format cells, date. So here we got Sunday 31st July 22 because we have added the month is 1. I'm adding one more month. The next month I want to get the end of the day of the next month. If you add 0, you will get the end of the date of the selected month. Suppose if you add 2, it will add 2 more months. It will give the output of the 2 months of the end of the date. 01 February 2022. Now let's check the output here. On February 1st, what's the end of the date here? February 2022. 28th, which is Monday, February 2022. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to get the last day of the month, the selected month. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.